Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to collect or how to cash out your rewards if you are investing in the NovaLink platform. I'm going to show you how to withdraw your rewards. I'm going to show you how to cash out the USDT fund for USDT BNB 20 and then from there you can cash it out to your centralized wallet. And I personally like to use Coinbase because I can withdraw straight to my bank account same day or within a few days. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, I would like to state that I noticed a few weeks ago when I tried to cash out when I got to $10 that actually it's a $30 minimum in order to swap your USDT fund over to USDT BNB 20. So please note there is a $30 minimum. You cannot do this until you have at least $30 worth of USDT fund in your wallet. And you want to also make sure you have a little bit of fund for gas fees. As you can see at the top, we are on the Fund Smart Chain Network. So first, we are going to start off in the D app you see here at the bottom. And then in the search bar at the top, you're going to search for, I already have it bookmarked, the NovaLinkLab.org. We're just going to go to that. Once you're here, tap on reward in the bottom. And then as you can see, this is where you typically come to open your rewards and to collect your rewards. So I still have you'll do this every 24 hours. As you can see, I still have about 3.5 hours left. But like I said, since I have $30, I'm going to go ahead and extract that out. So if you click in the top right hand corner, those 3 lines, they usually call it the hamburger. And you'll see here, this is your rewards wallet. So if I click on USDT, it'll show me all the rewards. You can go increase and it shows you all the rewards you've gained. Reduce, that's everything that you withdrew. All will be both withdrawals and incomes. So basically what I do is every 24 hours when I collect my rewards, I withdraw it as well. So I'll withdraw it from this wallet. And once you withdraw it from this wallet, I'm going to show you where it goes. So we're just going to exit out of this and then we're going to cancel and go back to wallet. It then goes here. You'll see it collected here in your actual BitGet wallet. And remember, this is USDT fund because that's what we're paid in. So now we'll need to swap out this USDT fund for USDT BNB 20. So we're going to go back to the D app, and in the search box, I want you to click on highswap.com. You see here it says app.highswap.com. I have it bookmarked, so I have it saved. So you're just going to click on that. Now, once you're in here, you'll notice right here at the top, it says exchange and bridge. We are actually going to keep it on bridge because we're bridging USDT fund over to USDT BNB 20. So we're bridging from the fund chain to the BNB chain. So as you can see, it has the BNB chain at the top and the fund at the bottom. I'm going to hit this arrow just to reverse them and swap them so I can get fund at the top and BNB at the bottom. And then we're just going to go ahead. It asks me if I want to connect. I do. Tap connect. Just so my wallet is connected and you can see my balance. So now that we have that there, we have fund at the top, BNB at the bottom. I'm going to do max. And you see it's going to give me $30.44 worth of USDT BNB 20. Now you can have it go into your address already in your wallet, or you can send it to another address. I'm going to send it to my wallet that's already there. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll see here, this is where I was stating earlier where it says that there is a $30 minimum. So you can bridge between $30 and $100,000. So it's a $30 minimum. Can't do this without having at least $30 in your wallet. It's giving me my gas fees and cross-chain fees. So now that we have that, I'm just going to tap on authorize. And I'm going to confirm and authorize that. Now that it's been authorized, I'm going to click on exchange. Confirm. Okay, looks like it's been completed. Everything is successful. So I'm going to close out of this and exit out at the top. And we're going to go back to our BitGet wallet. And remember, we are on the Fawn chain. So you see the USDT is now gone. You see here that it was taken out. So now at the top, we're going to click on here and we're going to go to BNB chain because that's where the USDT was bridged over to. And as you can see here, there's my USDT. It's been successfully bridged over from the Fawn chain to the BNB chain. Now from here, you can send it off. You can keep it. You can whatever you want to do. Me personally, I'm going to send it over to another wallet because I'm going to invest in some other things that I have going on. But if you want to cash out your balance or your rewards, you can send this to, like I said, a Coinbase or a Binance or whatever centralized wallet you want to send it to so that you can cash it out to your bank account. Just remember that this is on the BNB chain, so you never want to send it on the ERC20 chain, otherwise you may lose your funds. Whenever you're sitting on BNB, make sure the wallet you're receiving it on is BNB. Same for ERC, you want to make sure the wallet is ERC to avoid losing your funds. But very simple, very quick, and that's it. I will be doing this again in, I guess I would say about 30 to 35 days whenever I hit my next $30, okay?
If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.